Hello class 2, this is computer chapter 1 and I'm really excited to go over this with you over video. Please follow along. So we learnt about all of this in class 1 and we're going to do a detailed study, a little more about this, about computers we will learn in class 2. So I'm going to read and you can follow along. Do you know what this is? They're talking about this picture. It is a computer. A computer is a machine, and we learned this word in class 1. It works very fast and it can help us do many things. So like all machines, a computer works very fast and it helps us do many things. Now this is where we had learned about personal computers in class 1. So there are types of computers. We're going to learn a little more about them now. There are many types of computers. Here are some. And you will remember, first we had the desktop computer. So the desktop computer is quite large. It cannot be carried around with us. So this is what they are talking about, right? We all remember this is a desktop computer because it stays on top of a desk when we work on it. And here's the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, and the CPU box with the CPU inside it. And it's very heavy, so it cannot be carried around with us. It has many separate parts like the monitor, keyboard, and the CPU box. It does not run on its own battery. We need to connect it to the power supply. Then we have this one. What is this? It's a laptop. A laptop is a small computer. It can be carried around easily. All its parts like the monitor and the keyboard are built in. You can see the keyboard is here and the monitor is here. Everything is one small unit. It can run on its battery. You can charge it and it's going to run on its own battery. Now moving to the next page. What is the third type of personal computer? We had learnt about this as well. That's a tablet. This one. So a tablet is smaller than a laptop. It is very easy to carry around. We can use it while holding it in our hands. Its touch screen does the work of a monitor, mouse, and keyboard. So look at here. This is a tablet and it runs on its own battery. Just like the laptop, a tablet can also work on its own battery. Now it's reminding us that there's another kind of personal computer. And what is that? It's a smartphone. So if you look here, some mobile phones can work like computers. They are called smartphones. This is also a machine or a personal computer. So a computer can do many things. And if you remember, you can read on a computer, you can write on a computer, you can buy and sell on a computer. In this book, they give you the photo of a calculator, so you can do sums on a computer, you can watch TV on a computer, as well as use it like a music player. So a computer can do all this and even more. It can help us do sums like a calculator. It can show us movies and cartoons like a TV. It can play music like a music player, and it can also help us play games, draw pictures, and so on. So it can help us with many different things. Now, computer is different from us. Now, there are many things that a computer can do better than us. What are some of them listed in the book? A computer works very fast and we are slower. So in this picture, the girl is still trying to solve the sum and the computer has already finished it. A computer does not make mistakes. We can make mistakes. And then a computer does not get tired like us. Now a computer can remember many things. It does not forget. See, we can forget, but it won't forget. Now, we are better than computers in many ways. What are they? We can think of new things such as a new story. A computer cannot. We can learn things about ourselves. For example, we can learn things ourselves. For example, we can learn that ice is cold by touching it. A computer cannot do this. We can decide what to do, like when to add, when to subtract. A computer cannot decide on its own. So there are different ways in which computers are dependent on us. We have to tell the computer what to do, and then the computer does those things. So this is chapter 1. We will do more worksheets and exercises in the coming days, but this is all for today's lesson.